Hello and welcome back to our Facebook page. We're going to make this paper flower. For that, fold a circle and make cuts using scissors like this. Open it and again cut it from the center. Then we are going to curl it and then we are going to roll it like this, and look, it is ready. After that, we are going to make the center part. We are making multiple cut on orange paper like this and roll it and put it in the center. Then we are going to cut the leaves and the stick using green craft paper like this and paste all of them together, and look, your flower sticks are ready. Let's make this beautiful flower stick. We are taking violet paper like this and make multiple cuts and roll it. After that, we are going to make the paper stick and we are going to paste it on the stick using double-sided tape like this. After that, make the leaves using green craft paper and paste it as well using double-sided tape, and look, your colorful flower sticks are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.